ना तमिलनाडु को मिला, ना केरला को मिला, ना कर्नाटक को मिला, किसी स्टेट को कुछ नहीं, दिल्ली को नहीं दिया। मैं समझता हूँ कर्नाटक से आए हैं
सर, लेट द ऑनरेबल फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर।
नहीं, कर्नाटक से आए हैं सर। हमारी तो अपेक्षा ऐसी थी सबसे ज्यादा मुझे ही मिलेगा, लेकिन इतना हमको तो कुछ नहीं मिला। तो इसका तो हम कंडम करेंगे, प्रोटेस्ट करेंगे और सारे इंडिया पार्टी अलायंस, सारे कन्याकुमारी से लेकर कश्मीर तक। नहीं, मैं बोल देता हूँ, उन्होंने तो बोलने में, माता जी बोलने में तो एक्सपर्ट है, मुझे मालूम है।
फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर,
Much before I respond, they would like to make a lot of noise and go away. In the true spirit of democracy, they don't even want. This is a deliberate attempt of the opposition parties led by the Congress party to give an impression to the people, oh, nothing has been given to our states, it's only been given to 2 states. I would challenge the Congress party for all the budget speeches that they've delivered, that in each of the budget speeches, have they named every state of this country? This is an outrageous allegation. This is an outrageous allegation. And now that they've come here, now that the TMC has come here, I would like to say, now that there's a member trying to disrupt me, I would like to say, sir, even the schemes which have been given to Bengal.
Thank you,
even the schemes, Chairman, sir, you should allow me to say this. Even the schemes which have been allocated to Bengal.
Mr. Saket,
sir, you asked me to speak.
No, please don't shout. Don't shout.
To speak.
This is not a shouting place.
Even yesterday, the TMC questioned the budget, saying, oh, nothing has been given to Bengal. Let me just highlight the fact that the several schemes given by Honorable Prime Minister in the last 10 years have not even been implemented in West Bengal. Health insurance. And you have the audacity to ask me now?
Okay, sir.
Bengal should correct its course.
Honorable members, one second.
How can Nirmala ji accuse the Bengal government? This is wrong. You owe 1 lakh.
Bengal. Yes.
Finance minister
Demand. Nothing has been on record. Nothing has been
by the Ganga River in Malda, West Bengal.
One second.
Finance minister is insulting Bengal.
Bengal government.
Finance minister is insulting Bengal, sir.
Taste Daily.
Leader of the opposition.
सर,
Please, leader of the opposition.
मैं उस बहस में नहीं जाना चाहता हूँ जो 267 का, क्योंकि अब की स्थिति क्या है, आज की किस ढंग से लोकसभा और राज्यसभा चल रहा है और कैसा उसके बारे में लोगों बाहर भी हमारा इम्प्रेशन है और आप भी जानते हैं, हम सभी लोग जानते हैं, तो वो मैं इसमें जाना नहीं।
Please, sir.
मैं सिर्फ आपसे ही रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, जो कल बजट पेश हुआ उस बजट में किसी स्टेट को कुछ नहीं मिला और सबके थाली खाली और 2 के थाली में पकोड़ा और ये अपना
मान्य खड़गे
जिलेबी,
एक सेकंड।
ये 2 छोड़ के किसी को नहीं मिला कुछ। ना तमिलनाडु को मिला, ना केरला को मिला, ना कर्नाटक को मिला, ना महाराष्ट्र को मिला, ना पंजाब, ना हरियाणा, ना राजस्थान, ना छत्तीसगढ़, ना किसी स्टेट को कुछ नहीं, दिल्ली को नहीं दिया। तो मैं कितने गिनूं, ओडिशा को कुछ नहीं दिया। तो ऐसा बजट मैं कभी नहीं देखा और ये सिर्फ किसी को खुश करने के लिए, कुर्सी बचाने के लिए वो ये सब हुआ है। इसका हम कंडम करते हैं और इस ढंग से बजट पेश अगर हो गया, मैं समझता हूँ कर्नाटक से आए हैं।
सर, लेट द ऑनरेबल फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर।
नहीं, कर्नाटक से आए हैं सर। हमारी तो अपेक्षा ऐसी थी सबसे ज्यादा मुझे ही मिलेगा, लेकिन इतना हमको तो कुछ नहीं मिला। तो इसका तो हम कंडम करेंगे, प्रोटेस्ट करेंगे और सारे इंडिया पार्टी अलायंस, सारे कन्याकुमारी से लेकर कश्मीर तक।
नहीं,
मैं बोल देता हूँ, उन्होंने तो बोलने में सो माता जी बोलने में तो एक्सपर्ट है, मुझे मालूम है, तो
ये तो
उसीलिए
माता जी नहीं, आपकी बेटी के बराबर हैं।
मैं अपनी
तो आपकी
बात रख
बेटी
रहा
के
हूं,
बराबर हैं।
तो इसीलिए सर मैं कंडम करता हूं। अगर आप जिस जगह अपोजिशन पार्टी चुन के आ गई, जिस जगह आपको निग्लेक्ट किया गया है या लोगों ने नकार दिया आपको, उस जगह कुछ नहीं मिला। और लोग अगर ऐसा आप करते गए, अगर बैलेंस नहीं होगा, डेवलपमेंट कैसा
You
होगा?
have made your point, sir.
आज आपके साथ है, कल लोग वो दूसरों के साथ हो गए।
You have made
ये
your
तो
point,
लोग
sir.
अलग
Honorable
अलग
Finance Minister.
समय में अलग अलग से
Honorable
करते
Finance
हैं,
Minister.
इसीलिए मैं इसका खंडन करता
Honorable Finance
हूँ।
Minister.
हम सभी पार्टी के लोग इसको खंडन करते हैं इस टाइप के एटीट्यूड के लिए।
Sir,
Honorable Finance Minister.
sir, thank you for giving me an opportunity to respond. Much before I respond, they would
Honorable
like to
Finance
make a lot of noise and go away. In the true spirit of democracy, they don't even want. Sir, it's a.
Nothing will go on record. No. Honorable members, please. Honorable members, discussion on the budget was listed today, and I gave floor to the leader of the opposition in expectation that rules will be followed. I find it has been used as a ploy and a strategy. Honorable members, I strongly plead with you, democracy will be seriously threatened if disruption and disturbance are weaponized as a political strategy, as has been done now. Parliament is citadel of constitutional and democratic values and liberties. I am aghast, as a matter of fact, when during the day and days following, we'll have ample opportunity to reflect on the budget presented by the Honorable Finance Minister. There was absolutely no occasion, justification, even remotely, to avail the facility accorded by me for this purpose. I cannot persuade myself but to take serious exception to this unwholesome practice adopted by a senior member, leader of the opposition. I will call upon leaders of the parties to soul search and my reflections about Rule 267, that in more than 3 decades it has been availed only for half a dozen occasions. And every day of the sitting, I get number of such requests. It is being taken as a routine exercise, as a habit. It has reduced itself to a farcical exercise. In spite of my serious observations yesterday, since no focus has taken place, I have again uploaded the same on your portal, Honorable Finance Minister, to the observations made.
So thank you very much for giving this opportunity, although it is unfortunate that the opposition, particularly a senior leader of the opposition, Shri Mallikarjun Kharge, who stood up to say his views on what he heard of the budget yesterday. I would think, and maybe it's a bit too much to expect that in the honor of democracy, at least the opposition would have stayed here to listen to what I have to respond now that the leader of the opposition raised issues on the budget which was presented yesterday and tabled in this House yesterday. Just to the point that he raised, that I have not named many states and probably spoke about only 2 states. There are a few points which I have to table here with your permission, voice here with your permission, as to what happens in a speech. Congress party has been in power for a very long time in this country. They presented so many different budgets, and they would know clearly that in every budget, you don't get an opportunity to name every state of this country. I'll take this example. Between vote on account, which was presented on 1st February this year, and now the full budget which was presented yesterday for this year, I have not named very many states. But let me take the example of Maharashtra, for instance. Between vote on account and yesterday's budget, in vote on account and in yesterday's budget, I had not named Maharashtra. I'll take it as an example. Cabinet has, under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi, passed a very important decision. It has taken the decision to set up a very big port in Vadavan in Maharashtra. Did Maharashtra get ignored because I did not mention the name of Maharashtra? 76,000 crores have been announced for that project. Maharashtra's name was not taken in the vote on account, nor was it taken yesterday. But does it mean that we've ignored Maharashtra? And I can take the name of so many other different states where we have major projects, one. And second, if the speech does not mention the name of a particular state, does it mean that the schemes of the Government of India, the programs of Government of India, the externally aided assistance which we obtain from the World Bank and ADB and AIB and so on, institutions such as that, don't go to these states? They go as per a routine. And actually the expenditure statement of the government, the department-wise allocation of the government, clearly item-wise mentions all this. This is a deliberate attempt, and I'm saying this with responsibility. This is a deliberate attempt of the opposition parties led by the Congress party to give an impression to the people, oh, nothing has been given to our states, it's only been given to 2 states. I would challenge the Congress party for all the budget speeches that they've delivered, that in each of the budget speeches, have they named every state of this country? This is an outrageous allegation. This is an outrageous allegation. And now that they have come here, now that the TMC has come here, I would like to say, now that there's a member trying to disrupt me, I would like to say, sir, even the schemes which have been given to Bengal.
Thank you,
even the schemes, Chairman, sir, you should allow me to say this. Even the schemes which have been allocated to Bengal.
Mr. Saket,
sir, you asked me to speak.
No, please don't shout. Don't shout. This is not a shouting place. Is it a shouting place? Dr. John Britas, Priyanka Chaturvedi, even senior member Dola Singh. No. Please, no. Take your seat.
Oh, sir, let me just finish, sir. I hope I'll
Honorable members, one second. Take your seat. 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 Please take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Honorable members, please take your seat. One second. Honorable members.
Complete, sir.
Okay, finish. Finish. 2 minutes.
Sir.
2 minutes.
Yes, I will speak on Bengal. I've already spoken on Maharashtra for the members who chose to walk out of the house without listening to my reply. Sir. Sir, let me have some order, sir, in the House.
Honorable Finance
Sir, let
Minister,
me tell you,
you
sir.
will have ample opportunity to respond to each
Yes,
of them.
sir, but this
when
kind
you
of a
finally
statement
respond.
by a very senior member of the House, leader of the opposition, it's I think, not acceptable. And let me answer, sir, the members from TMC. Even yesterday, the TMC questioned the budget, saying, oh, nothing has been given to Bengal. Let me just highlight the fact that the several schemes given by Honorable Prime Minister in the last 10 years have not even been implemented in
Okay, ma'am,
West
okay.
Bengal.
Thank
Health insurance. And you have the audacity to ask me now?
Okay, sir.
Bengal should correct its
Honorable
course.
members, matters raised with permission, Srimati Mausam Noor. One second.
Sir, my 0 hour
One
today
second. Prabhudev,
demand to
please.
take
No.
necessary steps to stop
We will
erosion by
wait
the
for all
Ganga
these
River
issues
in
during
West
the
Bengal.
debate.
Sir,
No.
thank you for
Please take your
accepting my
seat.
0 hour.
I have
as the first
allocated
vote
20
today.
hours. One
Sir,
second.
how can Nirmala
One
ji
second. No.
accuse the
What is
Bengal
this?
government? This is wrong. You owe 1 lakh.
Bengal.
बोलिए. Mr. Patel, please, all of you, take your seat. Mr. Patel, take your seat. Take your seat. Jairam, take your seat. Sir, you created chaos. One second, honorable members. One second. Please, allow me to speak. Please. Please. One second. All of you take your seat. Please, honorable members. One second. Srimati Mausam Noor.
0 hour today
Yes.
is demand to take
Demand, nothing has been gone record.
stop
Nothing
the
has
erosion by the Ganga River in Malda, West Bengal.
One second. Honorable members, no. Shasmit Mata, please. No.
This is injustice to
No.
Bengal,
Digvijayi,
sir.
please.
Finance Minister is
Digvijayi.
insulting Bengal.
Digvijayi,
Finance
please.
Minister is insulting Bengal, sir. Modi government.
Please. Honorable Minister, please. No. Don't force my hands. Honorable members, please. Honorable members. No, 1 second. Take your seat. No, take your seat. Take your seat. 1 second. Honorable members, Honorable Minister, please. Honorable Minister, nothing will go on record. Please. Nothing will go on record. Honorable members, I gave the floor to leader of the opposition and he made his point. Since the Honorable Finance Minister had to say something, there is a right. Rest of you will have ample opportunity during 20 hours and I will increase the time also to accommodate others. And let us set some example. Please, the way we have done it not good. Please. Srimati Mausam Noor. Yes, please, here.
Sir, my 0 hour today.
She is raising a good point. One second.
Steps to stop.
1 second. Demand to take, 1 second. Why don't you hear the lady? Demand to take necessary steps to stop erosion by the Ganga River in Malda, West Bengal. Very important point.